Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Carol. Today I'm gonna share you guys some hottest sneakers. This time choose the main highlights of this 6 LV. This series of products is very attractive, you know. Eyebrows are bold and it balances colors through gradations. So, these shoes are made lasers and it shows a different growth when in the different environments. And that's why it's so popular and everybody can wear it in any fashion occasion. Honestly, only wearing a pair of shoes, just a simple t-shirt and dreams, you are the most brightest person in the crowd. Actually, this series not only shoes, we also have clothes and bags. Okay, this is about description and for everybody's reference. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye bye.